This is the best race we've ever had. Holy shit. Welcome back to Blizzard Mountain, guys. We've been oh, no. Oh, no. Today we're playing in Blizzard Mountain because today we have a pretty cool idea. The legend himself, Mr. DJ Customs, actually came up with this idea to try to find the best car for me. As some of you guys may know, I am in the market for a new car. I will be selling my Subaru pretty soon, and I need to replace it with something a little bit better. In case you want to know the stipulations. So, firstly, I live in Canada, so that's why we're in Blizzard Mountain, because this is what Canada looks like, basically. Then, two other things. I need all-wheel drive, I need snow tires, and I need 400 horsepower. So, people in the lobby, it is your responsibility to go and find yourself a car that fits that criteria and come back out and rejoin out here. For the sake of simplicity, let's say S1 850 and below. Ford Focus RS, TT RS, RS6, WRX, STI, Ford Raptor. Apparently there's gonna be an R in the name of my next car.
Hello.
What the f***? Who are you, Florida boy? Thank you very much for your absurdly generous donation. I don't know who you are. I've never heard your name before, but thank you very, very, very much. So this is my Audi, which I would be most certainly okay with. 479 horsepower, that's pretty decent. 3,800 pounds. That is not bad. Not bad at all. I just want to do a little bit of paint work, and we'll be good to go.
More money for the Help Nick Get a New Car fund.
Florida boy, I don't know who you are, but you just donated another 45. I appreciate how you guys left a spot open for me. It's going to be very interesting. I do like your guys' car choices. Okay, let's run through them real quick, and I just want to see what type of cars you guys have. Okay. An Audi S1, an Eau Rouge Infinity. I don't know if you know what rouge means, but rouge in French means red, and I cannot drive a car that says red in the name. It would just be an insult to the Blue Crew. Volvo, awesome, I like it. Audi RS4, amazing. Porsche Cayenne, I mean, my mom has that car, so I'll pass. Jeep, I prefer to stay out of the old ditches, so we will pass on that one as well. I do like this. This is a very good choice. Do you have an AR-12 logo on there? Oh, how nice. I like your thinking, man. That's my car. A Nissan GTR. Another Audi RS4. So many of you guys think I got a little Audi, huh? We've got a bunch of awesome cars, and now we need to figure out if they can tackle a Canadian winter. So, we need to go and do a couple of challenges around the map. So, firstly, I think we need to do a good old-fashioned hill, like, ascent. So we go from the bottom all the way to the top. So let's try to find a good one of those. Oh, that's a good one. Snow Forest Hill Climb. Yeah, let's do that. So, I mean, my Audi's got 500 horsepower, all-wheel drive. It is blue. Maybe this could be the next car. Some people think so, because I uploaded a video where I built a tricycle, and there may or may not have been a hint for what my next car may or may not be in that video. If you caught it, props to you. If you didn't, go back and watch it. Oh, yes! Everybody followed the rule as well for S1 850. Oh, you guys are the best! Oh, yes! Okay, here we go. Let's see who is going to find the next car for me. Will it be an Audi? Will it be a Volvo? Will it be that one guy who took a rear-wheel drive car? Okay, maybe it's not a Volvo because he went the wrong way. Will it be a Jeep? Or are you going to end up in a ditch? This is really close racing, though. I love how all these cars are very, very similar. Look at that! That is crazy! Man! How am I winning as well in the Audi? I mean, maybe my next car is an Audi. Who knows? Who knows? To be honest, it sounds like a little V10. I don't actually know what engine is in a Audi RS4. Is it a V8? Oh, no! Go, go, go! Oh, the pileup! Everyone hit the ice there, and everyone slid into the corner. Okay, don't end up in the ditch. Don't end up in the ditch. Where do I need to go? Oh, I've gone the wrong way. Oh, I've pulled a Raymond. Oh, no. How am I still in... Everyone keeps hitting ice. Why am I in 6th gear? Yo, look at the Audi boys go. Oh. Oh, my God, the Porsche Cayenne. With all the horsepowers. I don't know how much horsepower you have, man, but that is a lot. Oh, we get air. Yo, come on, I want to get first. Oh, the Cayenne's coming back at me. All right, so it looks German. It's looking like a German 1, 2, 3. Oh, I see a GTR back there. Maybe it could be a GTR. Who knows? Oh, drag race. Drag race with the Porsche. And the Germans take it. 1, 2, 3, followed up by the Swede and another Audi RS4. I like your thinking. An Audi S1 came last, so there is that. Where's the GTR? GTR's 8th place. Wolves, you did okay.
The old RS4, the one you are driving, has a V8. The new ones have a twin-turbo V6.
Okay. We've done the hill climb. What we need to do now is a little hill descent. Going down is not always the easiest thing. So, let's go from the top all the way to the bottom and see who takes this. So we're going to race. I mean, let's race all the way to the wall, all the way to the lowest point, all the way down there. So, are you guys ready to go? 2, 1, go! All right, now everyone's coming. Holy shit, look at everyone. Oh, I'm gone. Land! I landed. It's like an avalanche of cars. Oh, DJ. I was getting the most cinematic shots in the world. And then rock. Somebody says there's a 100% chance of Nick ending up on his roof. So, I have a feeling I didn't take the best route ever. Oh, DJ says he lost connection. Maybe an Audi RS4 is... Ah, not gonna win this one. Okay. Blue Crew Muffins subscribed. What a name. Someone's nearly there. Oh, there's Volks Audi, another RS4. That thing, it just looks so good in the snow. Like, seriously, they are so... God damn. Somebody said there's a 100% chance that Nick is gonna end up in last. Boy, if I do that, I'm supposed to be the Canadian who's used to driving in snow and ice. If I come last... Oh. Boys, I'm in last. Yeah, I'm definitely in last now. Oh no, there's someone all the way back there. Yes. Come on. A blizzard's rolled in. No. No. I'm actually gonna finish last. Oh my God. I ruined it. I totally ruined it. It was the Infinity first? The Infinity came first? No way. And then the Volvo. Okay. So maybe it's not all German. We still don't have a clear winner as to... Oh, wolves. Oh, man. That blue that you have. Holy crap. That blue is so nice. We're gonna do the Kingmaker, and that is gonna be our deciding factor as to what car you guys think I should get. So we're gonna make it a 2-lap stint. Wait, we're actually doing 2 laps? Yes, we are. Oh, I'm starting first. It sucks to be all of you. All right, Audi. And the Jeep is already faster. Okay, I've already crashed. The Volvo takes an early lead. The Volvo's very quick, as is that Eau Rouge. I think I hit that checkpoint. Yes, I did. Anyways, I will say something very, very strange happened recently, because I do want to keep you guys updated as to what is happening with my next car. So, a car that I spotted for sale, because I always look for cars. There's never a time when I'm not looking for a car. Anyways, I was looking up cars back in December, and I found a really, really nice one. And I found it, and then maybe like late December, maybe very early January, the thing sold. And I was like, oh, that was a really nice car. Well, someone's got it now. Someone's going to be very happy. And for whatever reason, I've been doing my daily check for the car that I want. And, well, it's back for sale now. At the same dealer, the same amount of kilometers are on it. It says exactly the same stuff. So I don't know what happened. I don't know, like, my only assumption is that someone's, like, finance failed or something, which is strange. I mean, it's possible, but, yeah. Also, yes, DJ is somehow winning. I mean, not somehow, it's DJ, but still. Look how fast he is, man. I'm trying to catch him. It's really tough, though. I need DJ to, like, mess up. DJ doesn't really mess up, though.
When I see lovers' names carved in a tree, I don't think it's sweet. I just think it's surprising how many people bring a knife on a date.
DJ's usually not this close in front. Ooh, man, that could have ended really badly. Oh, no, I hit DJ. Yo, the Audi battle. The Audi battle. Oh, this is so close. Oh, no, DJ. We did exactly the same thing. DJ, we both hit a thing of ice. Oh, DJ hits it worse than I do, though, and I somehow take first through there. Oh, he's pushing hard now. DJ is not okay with second place. I don't know if DJ's waiting for me to make a mistake, but I'm doing pretty well. Oh, I wish I made this one lap now. No, I've run wide. That was a very slow corner. DJ does the same, though. DJ goes in very deep, hits a lot of trees. Someone stole Nick's controller. No, I'm just good in the snow, man. We won't pay attention to that last race, but I am kind of good in the snow. Oh, my God. DJ's pushing. He's pushing. He's got more speed. I'm going to block that inside line. No, sir. No inside line for you, buddy. Oh, DJ pulls out a bit. He's still waiting for me to make that error. This is a crazy race. Holy shit, DJ runs super wide. Whoa, DJ had a crazy line through there. Oh, man. The drag race. Holy shit, the two Audis. I'm taking it after lap 1. Okay. This is going to be a close finish, Mr. DJ. Oh, we're like bouncing off each other. No, first gear. Oh, man. You guys have pulled away from everyone else. You know it. We're just that good. DJ spins. DJ runs very wide. He hits a piece of black ice. Oh, the Audis, man. This is the best race we've ever had. Holy shit. This is insane. This is the most intense race we've ever had. Oh my God. Volks Audi now has passed DJ. DJ is struggling in the snow. Oh, two wheels. Oh, DJ got back in front. Don't hit the ice. Don't hit the ice. Don't hit the ice. I know there's ice under there somewhere. DJ's on the cliff side. That is a sketchy place to be. Oh, bad gear change. No, DJ's running away. No, Volks Audi. The three Audis. Holy shit. And there's a Volvo behind bringing up the rear. Yo, these guys are shooting so much snow, it's actually hard to see. Going to pass on the inside. This is sketch. Oh, Volks Audi, we both run deep. Oh, he gets a better exit out of the corner. Oh, man, we're getting close to the end. I have a feeling my car's faster than DJ, and I am going to get some pull off both of these guys. But doing that's not going to help. Come on. Volks Audi is pressuring him so hard. Volks Audi has a rough corner. I go past him. DJ was sloppy through there. He didn't go super fast. Come on. Come on, there's a couple corners. Oh, a Volvo out of nowhere. I'm taking DJ's line. No, DJ's line was slow. DJ's line backfired. Oh, no. Drag race to the finish between the two Audis. Yeah, I had a rough corner. Oh,
The
man.
team goes scraw, pap pap ka 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 skadiki pap pap.
Audi RS4 goes first. Volvo, then two more RS4s. And then the GTR picking up 5th place. Wow. That was so... I should have made it one lap. That was incredible. Best race we